Warwako kendo ni kambi mar Royal Media Services ochako chenro mang'iyo ngima makare mar jotijene moting'o tuoche mag dang'ni mag paro kokalo chenro midendo ni RMS Wellness. E chenro mano bagi kambino kinyi makawuono, jotend RMS kod jokanyo moko e sekta mar thieth noyango jotije mochiwore e konyo tayo chenro no endo. Gisingo mar medo keto e opara manyime ngima jotije gi e yore duto te mar neno ni ngimagi obedo kama kare kamoro amora ma gintiere.
So as we gather today, we do this with the full knowledge that a healthy person is a productive person.
And this is another job that is always about others and nothing about yourself. Whether you're asking questions in an interview, it's not personal. Whether you're out there covering Mandamano, it's not personal. Or whether you're in parliament trying to analyze the budget, that is not your personal budget. You're always doing this for the sake of what we call in the industry public interest. So the general environment, to summarize it, is that of high pressure. And partnerships like this come in handy for us. We need our staff to be well in order for our business to be sustainable.
People should be encouraged to seek help. There are many people who need help, but they don't know they need it. And how you're going to do that is being available.
Tunajua fika kuwa wale ambao watalazwa kutokana na what we are doing here today, 1 in every now, 4 out of every 10. So 4 out of every 10, unajua hapo sasa hii asilimia inapanda sana, will have a mental health need.